For June 2024, Athearn is pleased to announce another run of the HO scale ALCO RS-3. Manufactured from May 1950 to August 1956 by American Locomotive Company, ALCO, and its subsidiary, Montreal Locomotive Works, or MLW. A total of 1,418 were produced. For this run, we're happy to announce the following roads. 2 road numbers of the 1962 era Long Island Railroad, 3 road numbers of the 1960s era Southern, 3 road numbers of the 1960s era Missouri Pacific, 2 road numbers of the 1980s era Susquehanna, 2 road numbers for the 1950s era Western Maryland, and 3 road numbers of the 1950s era Athearn and Southern. DCC-ready models feature quick plug-and-play technology with 21-pin NEM connector. DCC and sound-equipped models will feature an onboard DCC decoder with Econami sound with cube speakers. For a complete list of features, please select the link in the video description below. Pre-order these Athearn HO scale models through your Athearn dealer by Friday, June 28th.